whether I like it or I like it, I don't have the option of not being here because ako ang bantay sa tindahan karon. Our SDS is currently traveling from Cebu. Then, it will proceed here to sign all the documents. Then after which, balik na naman sa Cebu. So ako gibantay sa tindahan karong tibuok bulanan na ni. Which is very, very, just his will that I was not able to have my training last nagbumalik ako kasi ang dami palang pipirmahan. His will, sa nila na po ng Ginoo nga niatake akong skulyo, but that's why I was not able to get my flight. Sa nila ng Ginoo lagi nga nisakit akong likod, then dili ko pwede mo sa kayong eroplano. That's why I did not attend the civil service. It was an opportunity of a lifetime because that's the presentation of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas of their Prague HRM, the only in the Philippines who was given the level 4 accreditation of the Prague HRM. Tatlo lang sana kami dito sa Region 11. I was just so lucky to be picked up by our regional director and of course, with the endorsement of our field director. But again, everything is in accordance to his plan. Hindi talaga na-push because I have my attack of my scoliosis. Then, nag-anxiety po ko ni Bagyong Pipito. My flight was supposed to be 3 o'clock in the morning last Monday. 3 o'clock in the morning, then nag-signal number 2 ang Manila. Imagine na daw ninyo, dilim ka tatatog pa sa...
Yes.
My God. But again, the other side of it, because we really have to face that it's just a natural skin that we will die, at least aeroplano ako namatiyan. Diba? Milyonaryo ang mabilin. No? Ano talaga ka ng bloodshed money ang mabilin. Like what happened we have our previous midwife in Matanao, who was the Angelitod. Natatutan sila na walang dalawang apo at saka yung mother of Mr. Angelitod, our former supervisor, who were part of that very painful tragedy somewhere in Samal. So, ngayon, ang yayaman nila yung naiwan. Again, let's face it, it's really just una-una lang ta. We are just pilgrims here on earth. That's why, as pilgrims, let us do our part to prepare our home back there. And one way of being prepared is to do our task very well. Laging sigwino, pahulsin siya. To do our task here on earth. In the maxim of no child left behind. In every circumstances that we will be having, being an education, being an educator, we have the responsibility to provide whatever means we are to do so that all those children who are not given the opportunity to be in school will not be deprived of the education that they ought to have. Okay? Because education is a right, it's not a privilege. It's not like that of a driver's license na it's only a privilege. Ayaw mo masuko, kumadugay yung LTO, kay privilehiyo lang yun na, di yun na right. Di yun na katungod. We will only get agitated if our right is being crumpled, and that is education. So kaya parents, it's the right of our children to be in school. The same honor that the children to be, also the right. So we really have to nurture the right. And we are very, very blessed that we are picked up or we're given this opportunity to be a blessing to the rights of others because we are in education. We have been practicing alternative delivery mode for quite a time, hindi lang natin nalalaman. Diba? It's not new to us even in pandemic because we have been doing that. But for those individual na talagang very, what's this? Righteous, I should say, na kasi meron akong nalaman before, sige, ibutang na natin sa Matanaw, kasi Matanaw, madyo ko nagikan. Of which, Matanaw National High School, yung kagulti kay dili pa ikaw ato. Nangamatay na to sila. Matanaw National High School did not permit a graduate because nabuntis. Ay, saan din na nato. I was the guidance counselor, district guidance coordinator of the elementary. Then, here comes also sa secondary, I really have an argument with them. And who are you to say that you are perfect? And here comes a child who's been bringing honor to the municipality kasi magaling. Nabuntis siya. Hindi, pinaglaban talaga kasi it's so immoral. And who are moral? Who are morally upright? Nagkaroon ng illicit affairs ang mga teachers? Di ba? We have to admit that. We still have that here. But still, we respect them. It's their choice. Ay, lang bisa mo pakaulaw. Kaya they will be violating 67.1, 67.13? Oh, 67.13. So then who are we to say that those children who fall in love they don't have the right time. They don't have the right time. They don't have the right love at the wrong time. They don't have the right love they have the right love at the wrong time. Okay, no? So then who are we to say that? So God are those people, God are those righteous advocates who are really condemning that kind of action, that kind of circumstance. Ironically, we have a very long, let's say, patience of an adult committing error. But we are so low, and we are so very low in understanding our minors committing error. No? Sana yan ang mindset natin na kung taas kahit itong pasensya sa mga guro natin nagkakaroon ng mga illicit affairs, mga whatever it is, and we really don't, minsan pa nga, tabunan pag yun na sa principal. Tabunan sa principal. In the same manner, we also protect you. As much as possible, not until such time na ma-expose na yun, which wala na beyond your control. How much more to our learners who were being deprived of that opportunity, be it through love affair, be it through work, child labor, or whatever circumstances that would curtail them to that right to be in school physically. ADM is an opportunity for all of us, whatever it is. Are we still having the school-initiated intervention, the SSI? Yung Mimosa, classroom teacher pakuan na. And I hope it's already updated, which would correspond to the different competencies. But then again, yung Mimosa is more on the reading. I don't know ngayon, hindi ko na nakita. Classroom teacher pa ako sa Mimosa, meron tayong mga ini-implement yan. So, ang concern na natin dito is, we understand that our children have different levels of learning. Ang ang sad, most of the time, those who undergo alternative delivery mode, sila din yung nahihirapang matuto. Diba? We have to admit it. Sila yung But then again, we should not underestimate the capacity of our learners. They vary. So, Ang gagawin natin ngayon, habang hindi pa sila nagkakaroon ng circumstances that would deprive them to be in school physically, let us do our part. So dapat in the elementary, the basic is they would be able to read and comprehend. Kasi kahit anong gawin natin na mga modules ipapadala natin sa mga bata, if they cannot read and understand, all will be in vain. No?
All is well.
Then, I am also guilty of that. I've been sharing this. I have one pupil who was really having a hard time because also, those were the days wherein we don't have a tool to assess the disability of our learners. Dyslexic siguro to, mga ano. So, umabot ng grade 6, hindi makabasa. Hanggang grade 6, hanggang ano lang talaga, nag-minimal pairs ako grade 6. But, if we are to look the attendance of the pupil, he is always there, he is very behaved, epitome of a good student, but very, very slow in learning. I have for him to not to drop out, I really have to encourage them. Buti na lang din ang bahay niya, isarap lang din ng school. But look at him now. He's very rich. He owns a vast land area. Ang mga trabahante niya, iyang mga classmate ng mga honors. It's very true. That's very true.
Okay, bright man to. Motoy
Mga trabahan, because he owns a vast rice field somewhere in Manga. Taga-Matanaw. Somewhere in Manga, meron siyang mga uso na kaatong na treasure man ako na naman yung mga harvester, nanay mga marami siya niyan. Meron siyang malaking So again, we should not underestimate our learners. Nahirapan siya natuto. I just don't know if, I think nakapasok siya ng secondary, hindi lang din natapos. And the parents are so supportive. Una-una, mapusay amutan man, kay gusto pa mga amat at ulan mo. Then, are you going to feel them? What is important? Very good job.
Dato sila
Again,
daan.
multi-intelligences. Kahit araw-araw pa siya nasa school. Ako din, araw-araw din akong nagtuturo ng minimal pairs, sa mga English, beginning reading. I teach beginning reading because, modesty aside, I was groomed as a grade 1 teacher. But I'm so guilty, I was not able to help my own child to read. Pero marami akong napapabasa, but mga anak ko, hindi ko alam kung paano, hindi ako nakatulong sa pagpabasa sa kanila. Thank you to the teachers. Thank you to the teachers because I don't have time. So, grade 6 siya, nag-minimum parents ko, I will not let him read the books for grade 6 because definitely he cannot understand. And we give them, meron kaming school SSI, School Initiated Intervention, sinisali ko siya kahit alam ko hindi magda-drop out kasi maganda din attendance niya. Ang namin dito, pinabigay ko, padadalang libro ka ng Henny Penny, grade 6. Who are proud of Henny Penny here?
Henny Penny.
Henny Penny. Sino ba contemporary sa Pipi and Pilar? Mami din, contemporary sa Pipi and Pilar. Oh.
Ako, Henny Penny lang ko, Henny Penny.
Piping, training.
Ay, present.
Are my contemporaries here? Right here, raise your hand. Training ka din.
Si Piping o si Training.
But I was already teaching. I give them the Henny Penny book.
Ako, Henny
I
Penny
just
ko.
don't know, just to read the letter without understanding for grade 6. Okay, for grade 6. But then again, I did not fail him. Why? Attendance man siya. Sa quizzes na good siya. Quizzes sa quizzes. Pero, ginagamitan talaga natin ng ano. But look at him now. I'm so proud of him. Diskarte, street smart. Street smart. Minsan kasi itong mga academically smart natin, hindi smart enough sa totoong buhay. Diba? Oh, hindi smart sa love. Whatever aspect. Diba? But those who are tinatawag natin street
Hanay
smart,
na ma'am, sa
they
Ginoo,
are
ma'am.
into life skills. They are into life skills. So we, in the Department of Education, we will not only be tutok only of the different competencies. Tuturuan din natin ng mga kabataan how to have a big heart. Lalong-lalo na ang mga kabataan natin ngayon na gamay kayong heart. School heads, you will have to involve the parents. I would like to recognize, is there somebody here from Santa Cruz? I just don't know if it is included, Santa Cruz High School. They have what we call BEW?
Yes.
Ano yan?
Barangay education.
Barangay
Education worker.
Barangay education worker, of which they involve their parents. They educate
In reading.
them. They teach them how to teach reading. Reading lang. Kasi in life, basta kabalo na ka mo basa, bisag basa ni mo barok-barok, makasabot yun ka. We visited Japan last April.
Sana all
Japan,
Japan.
the Japan people, I may salute to them because they are not so much into really understanding English. They are into their mother tongue. Kahit ng mga ano dito, nalibog kita diri, nasa ko mga ginikanan, ano daw ipatungluan o binisaya, nakabalog. That was the reaction. Ito namang mga legislator natin, marami kasing to think, maraming pride. So, the teaching of mother tongue was now on the sideline. But look at Japan. When we ask them, where can we ride the bullet train, where can we go, nobody can speak English here. That's the interpretation in their tablet. They have the tablet. We keep on sign language. So they really love their mother tongue. In the same manner, they really have to preserve their culture.
Yes,
Sa akin
sir.
naman,
Mo di na lang imtigo ang bata kaya di kabalo mo English.
wala bang mauna?
Kabalo mo to.
Baka Davao
mo English.
nyo.
Ano ko siya sir?
Ang hirap pala kung mga anak-anak.
Mother tongue ni mo ah. Baka. Kasabot
Wala
siya.
din kabalo kay mga binisaya. But first and foremost, for them to read or reading, for them to really know to read, they should know how their basic mother tongue. Nonetheless, we would like to thank all of you for advocating ADN. I am pretty sure yung mga hindi advocate nito, wala na sila ngayon. We are the new breed. That we will really value the right of each learners to be educated. Not that because they are immoral.
Ako siya maghorot.
Then we will also, and we will erase that attitude na ganito mga ginikanan, di pa trabaho. You cannot question them. Because hand-to-mouth existence for the living. So ang gawin natin, ang sa atin na lang is understand. And be thankful that we're given the privilege, the opportunity to be part of the right to education. Yes, mapundi punta, mabasted punta, like sa suga. Mabasted punta. But then again, we do hope that with the technical assistance that we are providing from the division office, this will ignite you to illumine again the lights in you so that you will have that love for ADN. Ayaw na ipugos kung ang bata nagkaroon na ng pamilya na di na gusto mo eskwela sa school mo, physical. Give them the option. At to this, we really have to invite them. Kasi sayang, isang year na lang, grade 12, who happen to fall in love in the wrong time and the wrong guy.
Atay, anang ronggay, uy.
Grade 12.
Wala mo perfect, Ma'am God.
Opportunity to finish college. It's your additional points when you die in heaven. May isang soul ka na natulungan for him to enjoy his or her ride. Ito namang mga lalaki, because they really have to fend for their family, bahod, dili na ka, eskwela. Yeah, we really have to have a big heart for them. Kasi minsan ma-irate din tayo na watong eskwela, magatong kabulingit lang, kay di ka ito ng trabaho. Ma-irate din tayo na taas kay buhok, kaya dili na priority ang pagupit. Again, have a heart.
Di ko na, ma'am.
You should have a heart of them, for them.
Kupihan yun ako, ma'am.
And again, this is not, we just don't realize all that we are doing is self-serving.
Kung kagyabo ko, magyapon
Kasi
magtarong.
lahat na ginagawa mo na maganda, babalik yan sa'yo. Babalik, self-serving, ito nga ginagawa natin, self-serving. Because lahat niyan will be your points. Sa totoo lang. Without us realizing, it's not all about the compensation that we are receiving. It's about our preparation. When we will retire, natagdong ka sa imuhang mga co-teacher, when you have nothing at all. So what you are doing now is your preparation of what you will be after 65 years old. And most of all, when we go back to our true
Papa
home.
Jesus.
So lahat ng nagawa natin is self-serving for ourselves.
Papa Jesus.
We are just using each other and our learners. We are using them, our co-teachers, our co-administrators are our stairways to heaven. Be it mahirap mang mahalin, dapat mahalin.
Mahira.
You don't
Perfect.
have no choice because you're here. Okay? In the same
But
manner,
you
ang
were
puntahan na
there.
dito ninyo. I will really speak up my mind. This is to protect you. And again, pundos na po nila sa langit. No? So, this is to protect you and to protect the organization as a whole. We don't want to put our organization in the bad light. Because we have our source where we're able to feed our children because of our work. The last note, congratulations Ma'am Lisa and the rest of your team. I know they are not here because currently we have an interview for our new pastor for the principal's test. Bakit wala ka doon, Mr. ano? Mamayang hapon ka pa pala. Okay. Ikaw lang nakita ko dito? Ikaw lang? Si Lindon, andun na sila. Okay. So, congratulations Liz and the rest of your team. May your tribe increase and let us continue to advocate alternative delivery mode. This is all about inclusivity and this is all about no child left behind. And thanks God, let's give thanks to our Maker that we were given this opportunity to be part of the development of the rights of our children to learn. Our SDS will be coming, I just don't know, hindi ba siya mag-rogi, kay traveling na siya ngayon, diretso na siya ngayon dito. Baka lunchtime, andito siya, I'm not so sure. Ano natin saan? On the other note, I hope yung mga meron na tayong napunta doon na nag-duty na ba yung mga bagong appoint natin na mga school heads? Wala pa. Sa high school, wala pa. Mabuhay, meron ka din. May duty na sila. May mga orders na sila eh. Okay, so again, to reiterate, transfer will be up to January 12 only. So do not be surprised if anytime this month or next month you will receive your orders if you will be transferred or not. Effective January 6 ang nilagay ko doon. So before 12, dapat matransfer na mo if there will be rotations in your schools. The same, charity, special mention. You received already your appointment. Congratulations. Not yet? With the corresponding redeployed reassignment order. In this world that we are doing, in this world that we are living, we really don't have a permanent, huwag kayong gamay-gamay ang heart na nahibubos mo, wag Jud. Kaya kabugi mapildi. Diba? Ikaw ro, sumali na ka. And, again, ayun, dapat ko may project mo yung Diyos ko, no? One is, daily yun na allowable. Ano, ikaw rin maayo?
No one is a project.
Diba? Oh.
Bita. Tama ba? Tama
Okay.
dyan.
Yeah, ako yung secondary. There are no secondary na ni-reshuffle namin. Regardless of number of years. Si RD Gani, i-assign siya, itaga siya appointment today, after 3 days, gibawi ko po. Yeah, ganyan ang So no one is
Left behind.
irreplaceable here. Anytime
No one is
be,
left behind.
But rest assured that I do not care what would you say about me. In my recommendation, I will always invoke the guidance of the Holy Spirit. I would always invoke the guidance of the Holy Spirit. Modesty aside, yung mga na-plaster ko subject to the approval of the SDS, in-approve ni Sir, and they're doing well. And they're doing well. Even when I was in Davao, kaya nga si Sir Nelson, when I was, dahil kung saan mo pagbabalhin ng mga pagbabalhin ninyo, kung ang lang yun, Sir. There will be resistance, yes, but wala mas nang magawa. Kasi that time, mga district supervisors, walang yung movement. Diba? It was only during our time with SDS Lawrence na na-push din namo ang movement. They were staying in the district for almost 8 to 10 years, right? Our time pa ni Ma'am... No, even ni...
Didokos?
Senator Yurida. That's why Sir Nelson asked me when we had the rotation of the 45 district PSDSS. So sir, good na siya. How did you do it? Ampo sir. Yeah, equal lang din siya. Of course, with legal basis. To take Davao City's district supervisor, my God. If you think your district supervisors here, Davao del Sur is so mean or whatever, wala nakatiting sa Davao City. But again, it's just a matter of diplomacy. You give them the choice. Okay, so with that, brace yourself for a possible reassignment anytime. Kasi we want to make habol before the January 12. Kasi pag lagpas na ng January 12, hindi kayo malipat, mag-wait pa kayo ng election ban, and that will be lifted after 45 days after the election. So, yun ang titingnan natin. So, yung who will be asking for consideration, we're very sorry. We are not considering this time. Because we're running short of time. We're running short of time. I don't know with you, if you will go directly to SDS, si SDS utang
Basta importante na itrabaho,
we
sir.
really have to balance. If all of us are buutan, wala yun. We really have to mind is the recommendation. But so far, I am just so happy and so blessed, so privileged that our SDS trusted me so much, and rest assured I will really not destroy the trust that is given to me by the SDS. Lahat ng ni-recommend ko, ako man ay mas kailan ko sa ilang sir kasi imo ha. See? Bitang ipabalik ko. Bitang ipabalik ko. Kailan na dyan ko anin nila, sir. Again, so, katong mga maayo diri, maayo dito. Okay lang sa. So, to every you, Jim, nakailan na ka na ko? Okay. Wala ni kailan na ako. Nabaguan sa pag-abot na ko, di ba Ray? Okay, so, thank you very much and continue this God's blessings to each one of us.